WASCO has responded to growing public frustration following recent footage of a major pipeline break in Rodney Bay, which surfaced during an already stressful 48-hour water shutdown. The incident caused widespread outrage, especially among residents who have been without water for several days and, in some cases, weeks. The company explained that the Rodney Bay pipeline was accidentally damaged during roadworks by the Ministry of Infrastructure, while a separate rupture on a raw water line in the Millet-Vernat area had already been successfully repaired. Despite these setbacks, WASCO Chief Executive Officer Silter George Leslie confirmed water has returned to the northern communities.
They unfortunately punctured our pipe. So it was not a defect in the pipe because, as Mr. Norville would have explained earlier, that section of the pipe is relatively new. That section of the pipe has recently been replaced. So it was not a rupture or a damage. It was actually an accident by the Ministry of Infrastructure. It was very unfortunate, but we were able last night up until after 11, Mr. King, to complete the repair, and it was successful. Our hardworking team members were out there. They responded very quickly, and we're very happy to restore the water supply to the north.
Amid strong public backlash, Silter George Leslie urged people to remember that WASCO staff are human too. She called on the public to stop the verbal abuse directed at the control room, noting that while the team understands the public's frustration, they're doing their best under difficult circumstances.
So the harsh criticism, especially the latest ones where they actually are calling into our control room and abusing our staff, it is not something that we take very lightly. We understand the plight of every citizen that is without a supply, which is why we are doing everything we can. Entire team, from line staff to management staff to the guys out there in the field, everybody is working assiduously to ensure that we supply. We may not be able to supply via pipeline because, of course, we are faced with a climate change crisis. It's not a crisis that is only in St. Lucia. We have other Caribbean islands that are facing the exact same things that we are.
She's asking the public to understand that WASCO staff face challenges too and shouldn't have to endure this level of mistreatment.
We are real people. We have staff members who sit with us and come to work every day, who are recovering from breast cancer. Nobody knows what they're going through. So to call our staff and to use the kind of obscenities that we do not take very lightly. We're very saddened by it, and we would like to appeal to the public to realize that we are human too.
While the company recognizes the challenges residents are facing, they are also asking for patience and understanding as they work to restore consistent service. Kayla Edwin, NBC Prime.